right, Tuesday's tip, we're gonna roast a poblano. Get the skin off. See flame? See poblano? Poblano on flame. So I'll do this for the New Mexican style roasted poblano and pork chili stew. Well, you know, we're gonna do some quesadillas one time. Wait till you hear it pop. Good smell. Gonna start to blacken and blister. I'll show you a little bit of that. You're just gonna continue to do that. You can move it around on the flame like so. Keep doing that. Have a beverage of your choice. All right, so we're now black and blistered. Don't do that to your fingers. Turn off the gas. We're just gonna come in here, wrap it very loosely in some plastic wrap. It also works really well to put it into like a plastic container with a lid. And basically what it's doing is it's steaming. That's gonna help the skin come right off. Okay, so this is cool to the touch. We're just gonna unwrap it. It's very simple. Always pull it out. See a little bit of steam there. See how that char is coming off? You still got a nice little bit of steam. Just gonna put it in a sink of water. Put under running water if you're doing this at home. See how that goes? It's beauty. That's some beauty right there. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just rip this open. See how the seeds come out? Beauty. Just rinse her off. And I'm gonna take this part off. Boom. Okay, now we're just gonna slice her up. Now, I'm doing this way because I like to put, say if I'm gonna do a nice little salad, something like that, do a nice little topping garnish like so. Maybe even some roasted red peppers on there also. This way, because I'm gonna do this, we can always just, again, a rough chop, kind of like we did a salsa cruda once. There we go. Let me check this. Nicely done. But yeah, today's Tuesday's tip, we're gonna roast up a poblano. All you gotta do, why are we doing this?